Welcome to JULABO USA. This is question mark. Our phones are ubiquitous everywhere we go right now. Whether it's for personal, professional use, everybody uses your phone for email, texting, communication, and more importantly, apps. For fun, work, you name it. There's an app for it. JULABO USA has an app. You can go to the Apple or Google stores to download it for free. So today we'd like to take you through stepwise on how to use the calculator tool on the JULABO US app. So if you have the app downloaded on your phone, you can simply open up the app, and the first thing you will see when it boots up is the formula calculator. Okay, so let's do get started. The first question is, what type of fluid are you using in the temperature control unit? So we want to run an application on, let's use this 20-liter reactor as an example. So let's select, you push on the button, there's a pull-down menu, we're going to select silicone oil. Go to the next step. The question asks, what is the amount of fluid in the temperature control unit, circulator, and hose volumes? This means the internal volume of your circulator and any tubing that goes between your circulator and the application. There's a pull-down menu now that gives you small, medium, or large. If you don't know for sure, you can choose one of those. So let's do the medium. That's certified as 30 liters. Or you could, if you do know the volume of your circulator and hosing or tubing, you can simply add that value. Go to the next step, which asks, what is the type of fluid in the external application? Meaning, what are we putting inside our reactor? So in this case, there's a pull-down menu of a variety of different solvents. If it's not on there, you can put other none. Then you need to add the physical constants of that particular fluid. So let's choose ethanol. So let's say we're going to run an application in ethanol. Go to next step. What is the volume of fluid in the reactor? So we have a 20-liter reactor. So we'll add 20. Hit next step. Then it asks, what is your starting temperature? Well, we're at room temperature, so let's put in 20 degrees. So just remember that the temperatures are in Celsius. The next step, what is your desired target temperature? So let's say we want to cool this 20-liter reactor down to minus 40 degrees C. Enter minus 40. Go to the next step. Then we'll ask, how many minutes do you want to take to cool down from 20 to minus 40? In this instance, let's say we want to take an hour. So you type in 60 minutes. Next step. It asks, is there an exotherm or endotherm in your process? If you know that value, you can enter it in kilowatts. If you don't have any exotherm, endotherm, simply enter 0. So we will enter 0 in this case, and then click Go to Formula Details. It will give you an answer. In this case, it states that we need negative 1.7 kilowatts. If it has a negative value in front, that means it's cooling. If the value in your result is positive, that means it's heating. So then you can scroll down, and there are a variety of suggested TCUs or temperature control units that could perform this application for you. You might have a wide variety of products that come up as a result. If you are uncertain as to which one would suit your needs best, please reach out to your local account manager who can talk over your application with you and point you in the direction of the units that came up on your final search list. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great day. Thank you.